Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use the AmazingTalker ChatGPT plugin that you can use to find tutors and teachers across the world for personalized one-on-one language lessons. So before I will show you an actual example on how to activate this plugin and how to activate this plugin with a prompt, I'm gonna show you how to. I also want to show you that I have a full article tutorial on this AmazingTalker ChatGPT plugin, and you can learn about some of the best use cases you can use this plugin for, and I also share some of the best prompts you can use this plugin with, so you can get really good responses from the AmazingTalker ChatGPT plugin. I will link out the article in the description below, so you can also check it out. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. But now let's see an example on how to use the AmazingTalker ChatGPT plugin. So before you would be able to use the AmazingTalker ChatGPT plugins, you have to enable plugins in your ChatGPT account, and you can do that very easily. If you don't know how to do this, I have a tutorial on my YouTube channel that you can check out. Then you have to click on New Chat on the left here, then select GPT-4 from the model selector, then select plugins from the dropdown, and then we have to install the AmazingTalker ChatGPT plugin. And you can install any plugins if you haven't installed the plugin yet by scrolling down here, clicking on Plugin Store and installing the plugin. And last but not least, you also have to enable the plugin, and you can enable any plugin by clicking the checkbox next to the name of the plugin. And now, as the AmazingTalker ChatGPT plugin is enabled, now we can interact with the plugin, and this is the test prompt we're gonna use. So look for a French tutor who charges a super low price and can also communicate in Japanese. So if the plugin is enabled, all we have to do is click on send message here. So as you can see here, we don't have to use any kind of function or fancy language. ChatGPT is clever enough to know that if the AmazingTalker ChatGPT plugin is activated, it has to use the plugin to get us a response to this ChatGPT prompt. And as you can see, it has basically translated our natural language prompt to a request towards AmazingTalker. So the teach subject is French, the price preference is super low, and the secondary language is Japanese, as you can read here. And based on these requests, it has received a response from AmazingTalker, and these are the 3 teachers we have received from ChatGPT. So this woman who has an average rating of 5. She also has 2 years of tutoring experience. And if you like this teacher, you can just click on this link and you can contact this French tutor from the AmazingTalker.com website. So the same is true for this person and for this person as well. So all in all, this is how to use the AmazingTalker ChatGPT plugin to find language tutors. If you want to learn more about other ChatGPT plugins, I have a ton of tutorials on my YouTube channel on ChatGPT plugins that can be used for finance, business, marketing, productivity, and a lot more use cases. So make sure to check those out, because more are coming up. So also subscribe. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions, and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.